Great. Thank you very much, Matt. Well, a case involving the coroner's handling of a deceased Butte man has become more controversial after a hot mic picked up a conversation between city officials at a council meeting. Our Megan Thompson explains just what happened.
A controversial court case involving the Butte-Silver Bow County coroner and other officials has become even more controversial after a hot mic picked up a conversation between the county attorney and Butte's chief executive at a city council meeting here in Butte.
Even under our statute, with our FOIA stuff that we're doing, if we don't give it to them, the only remedy they have is their cost and attorney's fees. That's it.
In YouTube footage of the weekly council meeting, County Attorney Matt Enruth can be heard speaking with Chief Executive J.P. Gallagher before the meeting is called to order. A Butte man believes they are discussing the specifics of a lawsuit involving the coroner's mishandling of his late husband's remains.
They're obviously dealing with me in a very public manner. I mean, they're sharing this story all over, and it's literally reliving one of the worst days of my life every time it hits.
Doug Ingraham is the husband of the late Caleb Bowman, a 32-year-old Butte man who passed away suddenly in his sleep in August 2024. His cause of death could not be determined after his body was left unrefrigerated in a Butte mortuary. Since his death, Doug says he has been trying to get answers from Butte-Silver Bow County, including filing FOIA requests.
Okay, sure, it cost you $500 and $1,000 in attorney's fees. Your remedy's $1,500. That's it.
Instead of being transparent and explaining what's going on, they would rather just pay the maximum fee, which that's a terrible attitude.
Doug says in October, he made FOIA requests for text messages, emails, autopsy reports, and documents regarding Caleb's death. He says to this day, his requests have gone unanswered, and the comments made before the meeting were inappropriate.
None of that stuff that's privileged. If it's said behind the closed door of an office, that's one thing, but in a council of chamber meeting minutes before they go live, that's not appropriate. And Mr. Gallagher sat right there and watched it and didn't stop it.
Doug is currently in Salt Lake City recovering from a kidney transplant. Earlier this week, he filed a motion to join the lawsuit against the county.
This is time that I stood up and said something for Caleb. This is not how he wants to be remembered.
In Butte, Megan Thompson, MTN News.